Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money by graphic design. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you a talented graphic designer looking for ways to make money online? In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best ways to make money as a graphic designer. First, let's discuss the basic skills and knowledge needed to make money online as a graphic designer. You'll need to have an understanding of design principles, typography, color theory, and layout, as well as proficiency in graphic design software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. In addition to these skills, you'll also need some basic tools such as a good computer, a reliable internet connection, and a backup storage solution. There are various platforms where you can sell your designs or services as a freelance graphic designer, such as Fiverr, 99 Designs, Upwork, Creative Market, and also creating your own website or blog to showcase your work and attract clients directly. One of the ways to make money as a graphic designer is by selling your designs on stock image websites like Shutterstock, iStock, and Deposit Photos. You can upload your designs, set a price for each one, and receive a commission when someone buys one of your designs. Another way is by creating and selling your own design products such as templates, fonts, illustrations, and more. You can sell these products on your own website or on third-party marketplaces like Creative Market or Etsy. Another option is to work as a freelance graphic designer, where you find clients who need graphic design work done and complete the projects for them in exchange for payment. To find clients, you can search job boards like Upwork or Fiverr, or contact companies directly that might need help with their branding or marketing materials. To create designs that sell, it's important to understand what buyers are looking for and what they're willing to pay for. One way to do this is by keeping up with current design trends and creating designs that reflect those trends. You can stay up to date on design trends by following design blogs and forums, as well as by taking courses or attending workshops. Another way to create designs that sell is to focus on creating designs that are highly customizable. This means that buyers can easily make changes to the design to suit their specific needs. Finally, it's important to make sure your designs are high quality and stand out from the competition. This means paying attention to details, using high-quality images, and following best practices for design. There you have it, some of the best ways to make money as a graphic designer. Whether you're selling your designs on stock image websites, creating and selling your own products, or working as a freelance designer, there are plenty of opportunities for you to earn an income doing what you love. Remember to focus on creating designs that sell, by keeping up with trends, making them customizable, and making sure they are high quality and stand out from the competition. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online as a graphic designer. Keep honing your skills and stay updated with the latest trends and tools in the field. And you'll be able to turn your passion for graphic design into a profitable career.